how to fix Realme SD card not showing. So if you want to fix your Realme SD card not showing problem, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your settings, and under settings you need to go with the storage section. You can scroll down a bit and you will have the RAM and storage space. You just need simply go with storage, go with manage storage, and here you can remove the junk files or you can free up the space. Go with free up, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on free up, turn on. Once you free up some space, now you need to go back and you can go with the application, which is cleanup, or you will also have the phone application or iManager or anything, something like that. So you just need simply open that application and you can go with a quick scan and it might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply open up your settings. Under your settings, you need to scroll down, find the reset options. If you don't find the reset options, then go with search, which is on the top right, and search for reset. So tap on reset all settings, and here you will have reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. You can reset that, and you can also go with reset app preferences and go with reset. And once you reset your app preferences and the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, then your problem will be fixed. You can restart your device and you will have the SD card option. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.